Welcome to Invest and Empower. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Online travel booking and affiliates programs. Online travel booking and affiliate programs are two related concepts in the travel industry that have revolutionized the way people plan and book their trips. Let's explore each of them separately. Online travel booking. Online travel booking refers to the process of making travel arrangements, such as booking flights, hotels, rental cars, and other travel-related services, through internet-based platforms. These platforms are commonly known as online travel agencies, OTAs, or travel booking websites. Some well-known examples of OTAs include Expedia, Booking.com, Kayak, and TripAdvisor. User-friendly interfaces. Online travel booking platforms are designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, allowing travelers to easily navigate through various options and find the best deals. Extensive options. OTAs provide a wide selection of travel options from multiple airlines, hotels, and other service providers, enabling travelers to compare prices and choose the most suitable options. Real-time availability. Online booking platforms provide real-time availability information, allowing travelers to see up-to-date seat and room availability. Price comparison. One of the significant advantages of online booking is the ability to compare prices across different airlines, hotels, and other services to find the best deals and save money. Customer reviews and ratings. Travelers can read reviews and ratings from other users who have used the services before, helping them make informed decisions. Secure payment options. Reputable online booking platforms offer secure payment options, ensuring that travelers' personal and financial information is protected. Instant confirmation. Many bookings are confirmed instantly, providing travelers with immediate peace of mind. 24/7 access. Online travel booking platforms are available 24/7, allowing travelers to make bookings at their convenience regardless of time zones. Mobile apps. Most major OTAs offer mobile apps, making it even more convenient for travelers to book and manage their trips on the go. Customer support. Reputable OTAs offer customer support services to assist travelers with any issues or concerns they may encounter during the booking process or their trip. Affiliate programs in travel industry. Affiliate programs are marketing arrangements where businesses, travel companies in this context, partner with affiliates, individuals or other businesses, to promote their products or services. Affiliates earn a commission or a percentage of the revenue generated when someone makes a purchase through their unique referral link. Affiliate programs are widely used in the travel industry. Many OTAs, airlines, hotels, car rental companies, and travel service providers have their affiliate programs. Bloggers, influencers, travel websites, and even regular travelers can join these programs to earn commissions by referring people to book through their affiliate links. How affiliate programs work. Partnership. Travel companies establish affiliate programs, outlining the terms and conditions of the partnership. They provide unique tracking links or codes to their affiliates. Promotion. Affiliates promote the travel company's products or services through their platform using the provided tracking links or codes. This can be done through blog posts, social media posts, email newsletters, or dedicated promotional content. Commission structure. When a user clicks on an affiliate's tracking link and makes a purchase or booking on the travel company's website, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. The commission amount is usually a percentage of the total transaction value or a fixed amount, depending on the travel company's commission structure. Tracking and attribution. Affiliate links contain tracking codes that allow the travel company to identify which affiliate referred the customer. This tracking ensures that the correct affiliate receives the commission for the sale. Performance reporting and payments. Travel companies provide affiliates with access to performance reports, showing the number of clicks, bookings, and commissions earned. Affiliate commissions are usually paid on a regular basis, such as monthly, through various payment methods, combining online travel booking with affiliate programs. Many travel-related websites or blogs incorporate both online travel booking and affiliate programs. They provide users with a platform to compare and book travel services, while also earning commissions through affiliate links when visitors make bookings using those links. Visual content involves creating images, infographics, and other visually appealing assets to convey information or messages. Videos are becoming increasingly popular and can be used for tutorials, product demonstrations, blogs, and storytelling. This category includes podcasts, audiobooks, and other audio-based materials. content tailored specifically for social media platforms, such as short-form posts, images, videos, and stories. Interactive content engages the audience actively, such as quizzes, polls, calculators, and games. Content creation. The affiliate, such as a travel blogger or website, creates valuable content related to travel. This content can include travel guides, destination reviews, travel tips, and recommendations for flights, hotels, and activities. This includes blog posts, articles, social media posts, ebooks, white papers, and any other text-based materials. Affiliate links. Within the content, the affiliate includes special tracking links provided by the travel companies they are affiliated with. These links direct users to the respective booking pages of the travel companies. Unique identifier. Each affiliate link contains a unique identifier or tracking code assigned to the affiliate. This code helps the company track the source of the referral and attribute the sale or action to the correct affiliate. Destination URL. The destination URL is the web address to which the affiliate link redirects the user. It typically leads to the product page, service page, or landing page of the company being promoted. Tracking parameters. Affiliate links often contain tracking parameters in the URL, which enable the company to monitor and record user interactions and conversions, such as clicks, impressions, and sales. Affiliate promotion. Affiliates promote products or services through various marketing channels, such as blogs, websites, social media, email campaigns, or videos. They include the affiliate link in their promotional content. User interaction. When a user clicks on the affiliate link, they are directed to the company's website, where they can learn more about the product or service. Conversion tracking. If the user completes a desired action, makes a purchase, within a specified time frame after clicking the affiliate link, the affiliate program's tracking system records the conversion. Affiliate commission. Based on the agreed-upon commission structure, the affiliate earns a commission for driving the sale or action. The commission may be a percentage of the sale value or a fixed amount, depending on the affiliate program's terms. Reporting and payment. The affiliate program system generates reports showing the number of clicks, conversions, and earnings for each affiliate. The program then processes the affiliate's commission payments on a regular schedule, typically monthly. User interaction. When users read the content and find the recommendations useful, they may click on the affiliate links to make travel bookings. Booking process. Users are redirected to the travel company's website through the affiliate's unique link. Any bookings or purchases made by the users on the travel company's website are tracked using cookies or other tracking mechanisms. Commission earnings. If a user completes a booking or purchase through the affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission from the travel company based on the agreed-upon commission structure. Value to users. The combination of online travel booking with affiliate programs provides value to users as they get helpful travel recommendations and the convenience of booking directly through the affiliate's platform. However, it's essential for affiliates to be transparent about their affiliations and avoid misleading users to maintain trust and credibility among their audience. Additionally, they should adhere to the terms and conditions set by the travel companies they are affiliated with. This is it for today's video. What do you think about our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.